Welcome back to Eating the African Way. My name is Nicholas, and today I'm going to share with you a traditional way of cooking eggs using sand or hash. And if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. On this side is this gentleman. He's going to take us through the process of how these eggs are prepared. Can you introduce yourself to the viewers?
Yeah, my name's Imsibo John Frederick.
Today we are going to share with our viewers the traditional of cooking eggs, and I know you have ideas, or they used to do it a long time ago. Can you take us through the processes?
Yeah, I have got some ideas about how eggs used to be prepared in the olden days. There are about the two systems how the eggs could be prepared, and it could be prepared either with when you have a saucepan, that's when you are at home. Then another way, when you are in the garden digging and you could not access the saucepan but you have eggs. Today we are going to share about how you could prepare eggs when you are in the garden. How could you do it? When you are grazing or when you are in the garden digging, you could get your eggs. You either get your eggs from home or else eggs like the eggs of the wild birds, the guinea-fowl and other birds which are edible. In case you happen to get the eggs of the guinea-fowl or you have come with your eggs, the first step, you could get these young banana leaves, the young ones which have not cracked in any way. Then step 2, you get the dry leaves, the dry banana leaves. What is the purpose of the dry banana leaves? You could use the dry banana leaves, you put fire on it, then you use it to soften the young banana leaves. You put fire, then you get the young banana leaves and put them on fire. After you have finished that one, remember you are in the garden digging, like when you are opening a new garden, and you have to get the grass and burn it. So you get your eggs, tie them in that soft banana leaf, and you add water in it. Then you go in the heap of fire where the fire which you have made when you are burning the dry grass from the newly opened garden. You just open a wall in the middle of the ash. Then you get your eggs, which you have tied in the banana leaf. You add some water, put it in the middle. Then you put it in the small hole you have opened in the middle of the fire. Then you bring ash and cover it on top.
I saw you putting a piece of banana leaf before putting in the eggs. What is the use of it?
The use of that banana leaf, the one you first put down, the Muganda calls it orwaliriro. Orwaliriro, which it is for protecting any damage that can go into our the container, that banana leaf where we have tied our eggs. Remember, there is water, and if there is something rough down, then it will pierce that banana leaf and the water will go off. It may cause our eggs not to get ready, or else fire to get extinguished. Yeah? So after you have put that banana leaf, then you bring our eggs and you put them in you put it on top of that the first banana leaf you have put. Then you get another one and cover it on top. That one on top is to protect it from much fire that may cause our banana leaf where we have put our eggs get burnt. That is the use of those two leaves, the one down and the one on top. You make sure that fire do not burn the leaf, because once it burns the leaf, it means your eggs will not get ready. And once fire gets direct to the eggs, then the eggs will burst. It may cause the fire to burn you. It can take you about 30 minutes or 40 or an hour. Then you come back to check whether your eggs are ready.
Mr. John, I see you have two kinds of eggs. These ones are burnt. These ones they look ready. So what can you say about them?
Yeah. You see this one? I remember in the beginning I told you that you have to put them in water. And if they get direct to fire, they will get burnt and they will burst because of that heat. That's why you are seeing this one. It was directed to fire and the heat was much on it. That's why it got burst and it is in this shape. So this one, it was in water. We prepared this one in water. It was in water and the water was enough. That's why you are seeing it. It's as if you have prepared it in a saucepan.
Wow, wasn't that amazing? Did you know about this traditional way of cooking eggs using soil? Have you ever been introduced to this kind of cooking by your grandparents? If yes, drop your comment in the comment section below and stay tuned for more episodes on eating the African way.